So we're here at Alting in Essex, and as you can see, the setup for the Doe Show is well underway. My name's Graham Parker, I'm the Sales Director for Ernest, Doe & Sons Limited, and I'm with Karl Last, who's our Shows and Demonstrations Manager. So Karl, you're responsible for setting up the show. How many years have you been involved in the Doe Show?
So I've worked for the company now for 42 years in total, and I've been involved with 35 Doe shows.
So 35 Doe shows, that's an awful lot. Talk to us a bit about the really early Doe shows. How did they look compared to today?
So obviously the scale of them was a lot smaller. We used traditional style marquees opposed to these more professional structural buildings that you see here. We had a lot more grass area down, whereas now we're a lot more hard standing, and the show is probably 5 times bigger than it was then.
So the show's grown a lot over the years. What point of the year do you start planning the next show?
So the logistics of the show is done probably November, December time. We sit down, we have Doe Show meetings, we allow the whole company to get involved, we air all our views, we look at areas we can change, make better, fresh ideas, just want to make the show bigger and more interesting for the customer to come and see.
So this year we've made a lot of changes. Talk to us a little bit about this year's show and the layout.
So yeah, the biggest change is the layout. We're trying to make the show more interesting. We don't want you coming year on year, coming through the gate and seeing exactly the same stands in the same places. So we've really moved the show around, mixed it up a little bit.
So this year's show will be a little bit special, won't it, Karl? Because the company, Ernest, Doe & Sons Limited, is actually 125 years ago. So have you got some plans to show off the history over the years?
So yeah, we're planning on sort of showing through the ages of the company, from its early state up to its current state. In the field we have work in the vintage machines, again from the early days to the current days. That is a big draw for the show. People like to come and see the vintage work and the Doe 130s. A lot of history there, and it creates a lot of interest.
So each year we're trying to make the show a little bit bigger, a little bit better, a little bit different. So what's coming for this year, Karl? Can you let us into any secrets?
So this year we're going to be seeing new models of tractors, both on the New Holland side and the Case side. New mid-range tractors. We'll be showing for the first time at the show viticulture area, which is growing in strength, so that will be new. We'll also be showing the ground care section. Again, that has grown. It's got bigger and better, more to see, more demonstrations from that side of the company. We have the Opico farm droid, which will be working in the field for the first time. So again, that will be something very interesting, very innovative to look at.
And a lot of the manufacturers, they use the Doe Show to showcase their new products, don't they?
Yeah, it's the beginning of the year. We like to show off new products for the season coming up. So yeah, it's a good start, February. Yeah, and we get a good turnout of people coming to view these products as well.
Okay, well thanks very much, Karl. I know you've got to get on because there's a lot of work to do between now and the Doe Show. So come to the Doe Show, 7th, 8th and 9th of February here at Alting in Essex. We look forward to seeing you.